having some shaved steak and scrambled eggs for my breakfast today, along with two pack soup, two chicken flavored pack soup. And this is what I will be having for my breakfast this morning. This is what I feel for. Still going through my recovery. Still have not fully recovered. Still feeling the effects of whatever the illness that had caused me to be in this situation. So I'll be eating this bowl of hot, very hot pack soup, chicken flavored, two pack soup, chicken flavored. I'll be having this and along with some scrambled eggs and some shaved steak. The shaved steak, the steak is sliced very, very, very thin, very thinly, comes in a package, and they stick together, so you have to dip them on the package and then, saute them on the fire with a little bit of seasoning, limited seasoning, black pepper, and so I'm having a combination to try and build up my body with the proper nutrient, protein. So we have eggs and we have steak, and then we have the pack noodles, chicken flavored, two chicken flavored pack noodle soup. So I'll be trying to consume all of this here today.
Straight to London then, where we can speak to Victoria Smith. Good to see you, Victoria. I know you're waiting for the Sue Gray report to drop. I am too. All of us journalists are. When do we expect it, and in what state? Well, Helen, yes, it was a boisterous day in the Commons, wasn't it? We heard some of the sound effects there. Very bullish.
So this will be my breakfast.
That we saw a week or so ago when he was humble and contrite and apologetic. Today it was all about fighting the fight, rolling out those big gun Tory policies to try and distract from
Scrambled eggs
the main event. But yes, when will we see that report? And the
shaved
question is,
steak.
will we see all of it? The Prime Minister
That's
has
my breakfast
intimated
for
that
today,
it will be published,
along
so
with
the public can read what Sue
chicken
Gray has to
flavored
say about these 16 or
pack
so
soup.
parties that she's been investigating. But there's no guarantee that we will see all of it, and that obviously is frustrating for those of us in the press, and particularly for those in the public arena. And that's not the only inquiry we're waiting for, is it? Because now, of course, our Prime Minister here in the UK faces a police inquiry, and we don't know which will come first. We don't know if one will delay the other, but certainly the issue of these 16 parties and whether they were breaking government guidelines, which it seems they were, whether that means that they were breaking the law, that's the question.
So this will be my
On the
breakfast
results
here
of those
today.
inquiries to find out more. So far, the Prime Minister's
All right.
firm, although he has said if he could be proved
This
to have
is
lied to his party, then he will go. So
your
that
friend,
proof is in the offing, but we'll all have to wait a little
Winston
bit longer.
Gel.
It looks as if we'll have to wait longer than by close
All
of play
right.
today, at least.
Take care, my friends.
Right now, as you say, a lot of questions as well today of Victoria. Shortly after Prime Minister
Enjoy along with me, okay?
we learned that an email